A person who is about to retire often worries about how to manage the expenses without any regular income. During your working years, you can manage any emergency or any unplanned big ticket expenses easily. But after retirement, 1,000 questions arise in the mind, like how to meet the living expenses or any unforeseen expenses. Can LIC Jeevan Akshay VII be a helping hand during your post-retirement period? Will LIC Jeevan Akshay VII provide financial security in post-retirement life? In this video, we will find out answer for these questions. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC Jeevan Akshay VII is a non-linked, non-participating individual immediate annuity plan. In this video, let us discuss the features, advantages and disadvantages of this plan. Mainly, we shall focus on the potential return of the plan and know how beneficial it is. First, features of the plan. One-time premium payment, joint life cover option, 10 annuity options, guaranteed annuity at chosen interval, say monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or annual. Next, we shall look at the annuity options. There are 10 annuity options. Depending on the option chosen, either you can get lifelong annuity or for a limited period. Some options extend the annuity to a spouse and some options return the purchase price. The table here clearly shows the various options and the corresponding details. Next, we shall look at the benefits under LIC Jeevan Akshay. When it comes to annuity, you need to look for three important factors. The annuity amount, that is how long will you receive, whether lifelong or for a guaranteed period. Next, what happens on the death of the annuitant, whether the annuity ceases or it continues to spouse. And finally, the return of purchase price, whether it is returned to the nominee or not. Based on your requirement, one may choose one of the given options. Here in this table, various annuity options are explained. Next, with regard to death benefit, this applies only for the options where there is a return of purchase price at the end. Policyholder has to choose among three options. The first one is lump sum death benefit. The second one is annuitization of death benefit. And the third one is getting the death benefit in installments. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of LIC Jeevan Akshay. Advantages: hassle-free investment, regular source of income, loan facilities available. Next, disadvantages of LIC Jeevan Akshay. The annuity option once chosen cannot be altered after that. Except option G, under all other options, you get a standard annuity amount without adjusting to inflation. Surrender of policy and loan option is available only under option F and J. Once you purchase this plan, you cannot utilize the capital for any other purpose. And finally, your annuity is fully taxable. Next, we shall move on to the important aspect, that is calculations. Under LIC Jeevan Akshay, you receive a guaranteed annuity in the chosen annuity mode. Most of the options provide lifelong annuity. The return of purchase price is available only under option F and option J. In order to find out the return and to understand how each option works, let us work out the benefit illustration given in the sales brochure. Let us assume a 45-year-old male buys this plan for rupees 10 lakhs. That is, the purchase price is 10 lakhs. He chooses an annual annuity. Since most of the plan provides a lifelong annuity, we have assumed a life expectancy of 85 years. In the case of joint life, we assume that the life expectancy of the last survivor is 85 years. Now, let us explore various annuity options. The table here will give you a glimpse of the annuity amount and the IRR, that is the internal rate of return, interest rate under each scenario. Inference of the IRR analysis. Option A provides the highest annuity amount. You get the maximum benefit under option G because you get an annual step-up income there. And option F and option J has the least IRR as they return the purchase price at the end. If you look at the IRR, it is almost hovering around 6.5%. One might think that an annuity in the range of 6.5% is a good option. But if you consider inflation, then the annuity wouldn't be helpful in the long run. Moreover, you lose the opportunity to invest in other investment options as you don't have the surrender option except in option F and option J. In the rising interest rate scenario, your funds get locked in LIC Jeevan Akshay VII. As we discussed, LIC Jeevan Akshay VII is like a marriage. It may look beneficial, but it is not value for money. Now let us look at the other investment options where you get regular income. The following instruments are also lump sum investment options: bank FD, senior citizen savings scheme and RBI floating rate bond. In these options, you have the advantage of spreading out the investment under various instruments, that is diversification. We can avoid the concentration of funds in one place. A point to be noted here: that the above options provide a standard regular cash flow without taking into account economic inflation. Only under RBI floating rate bond option, your interest rate change as and when there is a change in the market. In order to get inflation adjusted regular cash flow, it is always wise to invest in mutual funds. Debt mutual funds take care of your regular income needs, whereas equity helps in wealth accumulation. Here, a portion of your fund which is invested in equity grows and replenishes the debt part over the long term. Under this strategy, your corpus outlives you. Here is our final verdict on LIC Jeevan Akshay VII. It offers different pension options that you can choose based on your needs. Options may include a lifetime pension, joint life pension, and pension with return of purchase price. You need to make one-time lump sum payment to purchase the plan. This payment is non-refundable except under option F and option J. As the plan primarily focuses on providing regular income stream, the plan provides a fixed source of income during your retirement years. But you can't rely solely on this income to meet your post-retirement expenses. There are better investment options that yield you better returns than LIC Jeevan Akshay VII. Also, you have the flexibility in your investment which is missing in LIC Jeevan Akshay VII. Here your funds get locked and you can't utilize the capital for any emergencies. From a return perspective, LIC Jeevan Akshay VII is not beneficial. Those who want to lead a stress-free retirement life should prudently invest the retirement corpus. Any ready-made annuity plans will not provide you one-time solution for your retirement income. A detailed analysis of LIC Jeevan Akshay is available as a blog post in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.